This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Brenda Fisher. Are you still looking for a place to call home? Something with little maintenance, great community and amenities? Here is a wonderful end-unit townhome located in the Coventry community in Yorktown. Kitchen has granite counters, stainless appliances and bay window area great for a table. Great room area has cathedral ceiling, built-in cabinets, gas fireplace to enjoy upcoming chilly nights, beautiful laminate flooring and dining area off to the side. Upstairs you have 2 large bedrooms with full baths. The primary bedroom has walk-in closet. Fenced backyard is large enough for backyard grilling and seating. Enjoy all that Coventry has to offer: tennis, pool, walking paths, community center, ball fields, lakes and more. Don't delay, call today before it is gone. For more information, review the details below.